Probably gonna be a good hog. I don't hear teeth. So I just go to him. Oh yeah. Damn, you can't go through there.
Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on this video here. We went to a spot that's pretty heavy with some hogs. We kicked out my little yellow jib tuna. She hit the ground with her nose on the ground, took off, jumped one up about 150 yards out, ran it to about, I don't know, 370, 380 yards or so. I got it stopped, made it up in a pine plantation. And on this hunt, we was on my four-wheeler. And mind you, my dogs, they don't hunt. They ain't rig dogs. They don't hunt around four-wheelers, trucks, or nothing like that. We walk hunt most of the time. So we rode up there about 70, 80 yards from them, which was a mistake. I guess they thought we was leaving them or something. I don't know what they thought. So they quit baying the hog, came out to us, see what we was doing. So I ran them in front of the four-wheeler back to where we kicked loose. They took right back off, ran this sow here, this old nasty poor sow, ran her a half a mile. We finally got her stopped and bayed. They's dang near back of the house, and we was almost in there. My bulldog broke his leash. I have no idea how that happens, but he did. And he ran in there, and I guess she tried to turn and run when he got there, and he caught her on the side, which ain't very ideal, but I guess you can't complain. We got her. Can't beat her with a stick. So all in all, it was pretty good little Sunday morning hunt. This me and my wife. She wanted to go with me just by herself. She could help me do it. And she turned out to be a heck of a hand. Couldn't have done it without her. There's more and better dog hunting content coming real soon. It's getting cool enough now here where we are. We can hunt just about every weekend. And we dang sure gonna try to. But I plan on, there'll be plenty of hog hunting with dogs on here. And I plan on getting some deer hunting footage soon. So thank y'all for watching. If y'all got any other content y'all'd like to see, just let me know in the comments. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Appreciate it.